Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Google Meet in laptop or PC. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Google Meet, formerly known as Hangouts Meet, is one of the most popular video conferencing service from the tech giant Google. The app and website were launched back in March 2017 officially and gained popularity early in as the world was hit by the COVID pandemic and working from home and remote work started. So what if you want to install this software on your PC or laptop? It's very simple. First of all, you can just open your browser. For example, I will open my browser, Chrome. Now from here, you can just, from your home, you can select on Google Apps in here and you'll find there's an option Meet. You can just select on that. So here's Google Meet website. Because you want to install the app, you can hover your cursor here. There is an option install Google Meet. You can select on that. Select on install. You can just wait. And now here's your Google Meet apps. You have installed your Google Meet apps on your PC or laptop, and you can also upgrade your Google Meet account if you want to. It's very simple, right? So that is your Google Meet. So that is how to install, how to download Google Meet on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.